Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
Yeah.
Holy shit. It's so, the whole thing, Cecil, is beyond.
You didn't stop,
gross.
Nissan driver.
And again, like you said.
Oh yeah. So it was the older couple that lived on a farm and.
Wait, they had a red light over there. And that car's roof is falling apart.
Sylvia, they're both passed on now. And
Speaking of lack of pigment,
what are you doing there? It looks like you're going to regret making that right turn. Right? Right? Yep, there you go, straight from the right turn lane. We knew he was going to bound to screw up.
Always got the sauce when I'm gravy on my cheeks like Playboy.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
I guess I love the shit. Got your bitch acting like
hello. Really?
It quickly became a moot point as everything unraveled at once.
What the fuck's going on up there? Who knows? No, behind me.
The relationship between Justin and Grace existed mostly by
route. So we did that in just around 11 hours.
No, turn on red. Those freaking Dodge Ram drivers are awful.
I didn't know it at the time.
Hell, fuck that. I'll take a mob. You need Jesus. Go back to church. Bitch, what if I don't want?
That's no turn on red.
The oral arguments were just a few weeks out, and she was preparing for the most daunting challenge she'd ever confronted.
Yeah,
that
could have been bad if he...
On that Saturday in September, though, one that... You done messed up, Aaron!
No stop behind me. Oh, well...
It's not the comedian point of view, it's the consumer point of view. It's fucking bullshit. And it's for fucking lazy people that want to act, that just don't want to do the fucking job. And then what I hate
I'll
is
give you a
up, you can't run it.
D
and then
minus.
all of your favorite mug to drink coffee,
So
it's like
close.
held hostage. Alright, well that's
No
gonna wrap it up
headlights.
for this.
Those are not headlights.
We're going to catch you guys next week.
Their all extol the virtues of the scriptures without qualification, and I felt resistance growing
No stop.
inside me. As I had for weeks now, I kept coming back to the couple was engaged. There would be no kissing, and certainly no time to themselves, until after the vows.
No
If
stop.
they didn't have a
Nissan
chaperone at
drivers.
all times, it was contemplative rather than contentious, which wasn't generally the norm when it came
Red
to
light,
love brothers and
run. Red
theological
light,
debates.
run. Red light, run.
Same page about the unscriptural nature of so many of the actions and decisions implemented by the
No
elders.
stop.
We would talk, and then we would pray together. You were so happy. She turned to go, and all I could do was weep. I had
No
no
stop
idea
behind
what I
me.
was going to do. I just knew that I would never be questioned our use of the KJV. I instinctively avoided answering their positions directly, because Gramps said so would seem not to be a
Come
very
on.
convincing argument. No better than losing them was the price of honesty, a shredded heart for a quiet conscience.
Whoa, what the fuck?
There was silence on the other end of the line for a beat. Waiting. Well, David called out. Welcome. Can
Exit
you all hear me
dive.
okay? No amplification equipment on Shabbat either.
About him. Think about how impressed we were with LeMahieu and how much better we thought he was. You know,
Exit
really,
regret.
we didn't even.
Why are you moving over now? Here's the thing. I hate it when people do this. Yes, the left lane is closed up ahead. You're supposed to take the lane all the way until it ends and then zipper merge in. That is how traffic moves the fastest when there's a lane that's closed. I mean, I've been stuck in this traffic jam for the last 10 minutes. If everyone were to have done this, it may have been a 2-minute traffic jam. But no, we got self-appointed, high moral standing assholes that think I'm an asshole for cheating ahead. When it's not. It's the way that it's supposed to work when a lane is closed like this. I don't get why. You can't fix stupid. I could have been on my way well before this point if people would just use a zipper merge where the lane ends.
He sort of went on about his supposed
nice cutoff
that he was having about this end times. And in my mind, I'm like, that's not how this works. Like, they move the goalposts.
Uh-oh, looks like someone missed their exit. By the way, this is Pembroke. This is where they make Yancey's Fancy's cheese, the steakhouse onion cheese, and all the other cheeses they make. This is the town where they're made in. Sold in grocery stores everywhere.
Frank conversations with them about it as it was happening, and just being like, listen, it's serious.
No,
and this stuff.
no,
And they're like,
no, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Good, run that direction.
Say like the biggest thing is like we build in, and I used to do it all the time. Where I would do things where built in
Really, Cadillac?
self-destructive mechanisms, so I can always have an excuse. And the reason I think, especially comics,
The trick doesn't work in this car.
is so vulnerable. We're the writer, director, producer.
Damn, get off my ass!
So when it gets rejected, it's rejected on a very personal level. Yes. Right? So if you, an actor, and the movie bombs, you can blame the script, you can blame the director, but the songwriter, whatever, whoever played guitar, off key. But if we fail, it's like,
There, go, have fun, be forth and be an asshole.
So
we are the closest thing to her now, as family can be, and so you were together then, even as you were living with them.
Did not move over.
When did you guys?
And he was in the center lane too for that other car, but not for that one.
That's what made you leave this belief system that said
Right.
you mustn't have to allow your children to participate.
Nope. Anyone behind me? Yes, that red thing, yeah, whatever that, maroon, red. Buy a normal color car.
As somehow better, and now we have the truth. We have that very
Wow.
narcissistic, really.
By myself too, and so people started to know that I was doing longer distance and doing them fast.
Nice cutoff.
So this woman, she
Tricycle.
didn't really know me that well, but she just...
No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because this is a construction zone and there are signs everywhere that say no trucks allowed in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. Wait a minute. We got a twofer. No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And of course it's still for real this time because we're still in a construction zone. And there are signs everywhere that say no trucks allowed in left lane or trailers or whatever the hell you pull in there. It's not allowed. And of course there's a sign coming up that says that probably. I think that, no, it doesn't say that. Never mind. But there's signs. Trust me. Would I ever lie to you? Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye!